This is Alard item Y4584. It is a rod belt conveyor. It's 6 feet long, 16 inches wide, a little less where the sides come in at the end there. The openings, it has 1/8 inch rods and 3/8 inch openings, and 3-phase drive. We might not normally take a video of a little guy like this, but since we've got several identical units that are practically the same thing, we thought this would be a good way to show it, and that would represent others that are just like it. So in just a second here, we're going to turn it on. By the way, it does not come with the table. Oh, it just went on. Hey, pretty tricky, Gary. It doesn't come with the table. We have these. They don't come with legs unless we specifically come to some agreement to build legs for it to your specification. We certainly can. They are available. Give us a call at 315-589-4511 to talk about that if that's something you need. But it's pretty simple. It's a straightforward stainless steel conveyor, stainless steel belt, stainless steel body, stainless steel sides. Runs nice and quiet, and that's kind of the story. So there it is, Alard item Y4584.
Previously, you dropped the tips out of cherries.
Oh, it was, okay. Yeah, it was previously a conveyor that was used with a cherry pitter. It was made by, in fact, this was manufactured by Dunkley, the cherry pitter people. And this belt was meant to drop the cherry pits through the belt, the discharge of the cherry pitter in case any of the pits happen to come out with the cherries. So again, that's it. Alard item Y4584 here in stock at Alard Equipment Company. An excellent operational, mechanical, electrical, and cosmetic condition. Available for immediate shipment from Alard Equipment Company in Williamson, New York.